It's really loud.
We're getting over 10 inches of rain in New Braunfels right now. I'm in Austin right now. Check out this. Wow. Ooh, it's starting to really come down now. My shorts are reflecting in the window. That's hilarious. Ooh, I got that lightning strike just about. Nice thunder. We're not on the Memorial Day flood, but this is going to be very similar. By the way, I got the beautiful dog in the back seat. It's very scared of the smoke detector that went off this morning. He hid in the bathroom shower this morning. Right now we have a CD going on in the car. But you can't hear it because we have it turned down. See you guys later. When you're down. Yeah, this is why we say turn around, don't drown. That is really cool. You don't mess with the fortune of nature, as Alonzo Baldwin once said. Nature ruins things. Beautiful. We're at Shoal Creek right now, and boy, it's been coming down, and check out the rain. I might accidentally get the camera wet here, but it's worth getting the capture of this huge storm. I still have my dog in the back seat. It's nice out here. It's cool. Hey. Okay. And we still got some low-hanging clouds. Right now the radar shows that it's training on us. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. We got a small flood right here. And yeah, it's nothing compared. And we're back at the golf course again. Look how flooded it is. They've helped fix it so it won't flood as badly as it could possibly be. I'm still in the car with my dog. far so good. 97.5 can still come into Austin.
Hey Lisa, I'm Phil with Love Myself. It is 97.5 FM, so everybody's talking about Adele and how she is back. Well, just get ready, people, because Adele's new album, 25, it comes out on November 20th, just a couple of days after Justin Bieber and One Direction, and it's going to be huge. Basically, bigger than Taylor Swift huge. The early predictions say it's going to be between 3 and 1.8 million copies. So, I mean, that's even going to beat Britney Spears' Oops, I Did It Again back in the day. Let's just say she has officially arrived.
Major manufacturers and warehouses clearance of new 2015.
Alright, so I guess we're gonna return home, and I'm gonna keep this rolling so we can get to the creek and be able to film some more. Also, the lights are flashing around Research in 360 and Gray Hills Trail and 360. Still have my dog in the back seat. Beautiful thing. A smoke detector really woke him up, and he ended up resting in the shower because he was so afraid. Let's see here. What are you doing? There you go. It's filming right now, so it can't zoom in for some reason when it films.
Oh, Windows.
Wow, look, there's even steam coming off. It looks like steam. I've never seen it that weird. Is it blurry or is it able to... Is it clear or...
Yeah. Here, turn it, sweetie. Look, someone's toys down there.
That is just astonishing. Look how flooded that river is.